Hello. So on this video we are going deep on another feature called apply discount, raise prices here. And the first thing we are going to do is select one product to modify. So I will be selecting this ring, and then I will go here and apply discounts, raise price. So you can apply discount and raise price here. So you have these little instructions here, and I will try to talk about the whole feature. So here you can have this panel that is going to modify the base price of the product. So what is the base price? When we came here to Ecwid, we can see here this price on this product is 2.12. So this is the current base price of the product, and we are going to go back here. And for instance, I will put a rule here to add more money. This is absolute values, this is percentile values. So I will do the absolute, and I will sum up like $5 here. And here you have an option to save the old price on the compared at field. So for instance, now that I'm raising the price, I don't think it's worth to save on the compared price, but I would just add $5 here. So after putting this here, I will go straight down and apply the changes, and then we are going to refresh it here so we can see the new price. So it's 7.12. Okay, so let's go back and do another operation. I'm not changing nothing here, so it's the same selected product. I just go down here and I will clear the rules, and now I will give a discount of 50% on this product, for instance, and I will save the old price on the compared at field. I need to add the rule. Never forget to add the rules. So I will go back again and apply the changes. And now I can refresh here. And you will see that this product have a new price, half of the old price. And you have here on compared at price, the old price it has. So when you see this product on the store, it is going to show like it is on sale, and it's showing up the price 3.56 and saving 50%. So this is automatic. The Ecwid does it automatic when you put a compared at price, right? So how can we go back? We can use a new feature called Revert sales price from compared at price, and it's important that it can only be reverted if you saved it on the compared at price, because we don't have that old value anymore. So I will clear these rules, and I will click on Revert sales price, and then I will go down and click on the apply changes button again, and you will see that the product will be updated, and this is the new price back, and the tag on sale was removed from this. So going back on the app, we have more features inside this apply discount, raise prices. The other feature that we have here is this bulk discount pricing, that it's the same that you can find on the Ecwid panel. Let me refresh that because it's still old data. You can see here manage pricing options and bulk discount pricing. Here you can put like this product $7.12. If you buy 5 and more, for instance, you can pay like 6. And if you buy 10 or more, you can pay like 4, For instance, I can save that. Okay, when you go here, you don't see a change exactly, but if you add more to the shopping cart, you pay less. Okay, so this is the bulk discount. So here I'm going to replace that bulk discount. So I'm putting that if you buy 10 units or more, the price will be 6, and you have here the absolute price or percentual, but this is not going to act dynamically. So if you put here percentual, I will be calculating the percentual based on the price right now. So for instance, I want to give 5% discount if it is more than 10 units. And if it's more than 20, I will be giving 10%. And more than 50, I will be giving 25%. Okay, so I'm going to apply this change. Okay, and I will update here, refresh it, and soon we will see. So here you see that it is calculation based. So this is absolute price again. The price that is entered here is absolute from 10 to 19. This will be the price paid. From 20 to 50, this will be 49. This will be the price paid, and more than 50, this will be the price. So the percentage is just to calculate these prices, right? It's not like dynamically, it's not always changing. And if you want to clean this up, you have another feature here. I will clear these rows and use this delete all the bulk discounts on products. And when I click apply, this will be deleted, right? So I will be emptying these rows that were added before. So if I click here, you can see that they disappeared. If I click here, there is nothing. So, and we have another feature here that is very interesting and it's new. That is the special rounding. So we have some rules that can be applied now, but we didn't have a round before. So for instance, a product that it's costing, I will put here 10 bucks. Okay, before talking about rounding, let's talk about another thing. So this product has now 10 bucks here, and I will go and apply a discount of 20% on it and save it. After applying 20%, this product will be probably $8 here, and I will put another row like plus $1, and I will add this after that. So this is going to run both rows, so it's going to modify twice this product, right? So first it's going to apply 20% and going to 8, and then add 1 and going to 9 back. So applied, and I'm going to check the new price here, and it's 9, right? Now we can talk about rounding, and for talking about rounding, I will put here a price of 12.42. We just talked about the rules because every time you see on the app that you have, oh, I forgot that, care about that. Every time you see on the app that you have rules, you know that each rule is going to be executed in order. So first this one, after this one. So I'll clear this up, and now I have this price. And let's imagine that I want to increase this price by 10%. That will sum up like $1.24 here. But I don't want to have this was going to be like 30 66, for instance, but I don't want to have like this broken price, so I want to round it. And since we are going to see that this is going to be 30 and 66, if I select here the rounding, so I'm going to first put here to apply 10%, we are going to increase 10%, so 1.24, and I am going to use this special rounding here. And this feature is cool because I can round the prices to whatever I want. So first I will go to nearest. Nearest is like the for instance, if I put a resolution of 0.50, so it's rounding to 50s, like it's going to be a price like 12.5 or 30 or 12 or 30.5, but not broken. So if I put here the resolution 0.5, it's going to be the nearest 0.5. So if it's going to be 13.66, the nearest price will be 13.5. So I'm going to apply this rule, apply the changes, okay, and go back and refresh this page. And then as you see, we have here 13.50. And this is what happened. It's going to be calculation of 10% and then the nearest 0.50. But sometimes you don't want to lose your money, so I don't want to be less than the 10%. So I will save again the 12.42 here, and I will go back and select another feature, that is the sale. So sale is going to round to 50, but always up. So imagine that, do you remember that the price was going to 13.66? So I'm putting a resolution of 20s here. What it means? That the price needs to be divisible, like you can divide it by 20s. So the next price will be 13.6 or 13.8. As I selected sale, it's always going to round up. So if I put that here and I put the price back 12.42, and we still have the rule here about 10%. So I'm going to apply, and this price is going to be like 13.8 if everything goes right and I have the right calculations. 13.8, right? Okay, I will do the same experiment. I will put it back 12.42, and then we have another feature that, imagine that I want to give 10%, but at most I want to have 10%. So I can floor it. Floor it's like rounding for the lower, and I will round for the lower on 10s. So 13.6, 0.7, 0.8, so this is going to be 13.6 as we stated before. I will apply that, refresh it again, $13.6 as predicted. So this is the rounding feature, and you have the same nearest sale and floor for those countries that use value-added taxes. So imagine that you have one product that you want to be always on 50s here, but you have this tax. This tax is like, for instance, in Italy, we have 22% over all the products. So if I choose here the nearest VAT and I put here 22%, this is going to calculate the resultant price with VAT, and then going to break the product back. So when you put it on the shopping cart, it will be rounded by 50. Okay, so let's do it. So I will put here the 2.42. I will save it again. I will go back here and I will be adding, let's see, 10% again, and I will use VAT sale, so I don't want to lose any money. So sale, round up, and 50s and 22%. Okay, so applying this with a VAT of 22%. Okay, updated. I will go here and check the new price, and you will see something strange, like the price here is 13.934, and this is something that is expected. When you use this VAT rounding, it's going to use 3 decimals here, right? So this is the price. If you see here on taxes, this product has a 22% taxes enabled on it, right? So if I go here to my store, I will refresh it, and this is going to have the new price that is rounded here. When I add it to bag, I can go to the bag and check that the price with the VAT, the value added tax here, is going to be 17. So it's rounded. To get this price rounded, and this works not only for this applying discount, but for the options too. Here you have to change the options, and you can round the price to achieve that. So if you round the base price and you round the options price and the variations price, you are always getting this rounded price at the end. For some customers and for some stores, this makes sense, so you have here this type of rounding too. Okay, and imagine that you want to modify the base price and you just want to round it up, like here you have like 13.934, and I want to round it to integers like 40. I want to round up to 40 here. What can I do? I can put the resolution as 0 or 0.0. It's the same as 1. I will use the sale because I want to round up, or the nearest if there is interest to round up and down. So I will apply here, like I will sum up like 1, and after that I will remove 1. It's nothing, like I'm adding $1 and I'm removing, but I am putting here to special rounding for 0. So this is going to round this price that is showed here to the nearest, in this case 14, right? So I'm going to apply that. And you can see here the new price is 14 as expected. So you can use this feature here for just rounding the price if you want to, right? So this is the applying discounts and raise price features. I hope it helps, and if you have any questions, please let me know, and thanks for watching this video.